I have a really important announcement for all future and existing members of my exclusive podcast coaching program, the Elevate Insider. Not only will you get full access to all of my episodes and exclusive supporting content that correlates with each episode, but for a limited time, I'm offering a special bonus, my top client retention strategies. This is the same exact retention strategies I've tried and tested in my commission salon and with my team. It's the reason why I've built such a loyal client base over the last 13 years. To get this exclusive bonus material, all you have to do is subscribe by either clicking the link in the show notes or visiting www.opulentbeautypro.com/insider. If you currently subscribe through Apple Podcasts, I highly recommend canceling your subscription and resubscribing to get this special offer and easier access to this program.
Hello and welcome to the Elevate Podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I am a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you are absolutely in love with. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. Hello and welcome back to the Elevate Podcast. Today, we're going to dive into something that's been bugging me lately, and I know a lot of you can relate. I want to chat about the negativity I'm seeing on Facebook and a lot of social media platforms, where people are saying it's slow, the economy is tough, and that their business is out of their control. I get it. We've all seen those posts. It's dead right now. No one's booking. I've had so many crazy cancellations. It's the economy. But here's the thing. That kind of thinking and giving into that type of mentality is going to plant the seed in your mind that nothing you do for your business right now matters or will get you results. And then suddenly you're demotivated to market yourself, reaching out to clients becomes non-existent, and you don't even show up in your best energy. We need to not give into these posts and this type of chatter on social media. This mindset will absolutely sink your business. I want to set the record straight. Yes, clients are being more selective about how they spend their money, but that does not mean you're powerless. It doesn't mean you need to throw in the towel or start offering deep discounts to fill your books. This is not the time to be offering the cheapest rates just to get by. This is the time to be the Ritz-Carlton, to create an exceptional client experience and really dive into your marketing strategy to keep clients flowing in your business. Here's the thing. In 2020 and even last year, client acquisition was so easy. Getting a client to sit in your chair was effortless. We are not in that type of economy now. Now you actually have to do the work and work on your business. And a lot of y'all don't know how to do that. You don't know how to proactively market your business. You really didn't have to focus on client experience because clients were really just kind of settling and weren't being as particular with things happening in the chair or their results. And now people are being very picky because how they spend their money matters and they feel it because everything is so expensive. We need to be able to shift our business and the way that we market with the changing economic times. You will have free-flowing, easy times in your business, and then you will have times like now that you actually have to put in the effort. We are in an effort time for salons. You cannot blame the economy. You need to take control and you need to pivot and you need to get your mind out of this is out of my control. Nothing I do will make a difference, because that is not true. I have been through the ups and downs of many different economic times. I was a hairstylist in 2008, which was our last recession. And you have to know how to strategically market to the economy we are in. So you can't blame the economy. You have to take control. When you listen to people saying it's just the economy, you're giving yourself an excuse not to do the work. It feels like you're handing over the steering wheel of your career to something completely out of your control. And that's a scary place to be. But here's the good news. It's not true. You have more control than you think. Your job isn't to lower your prices and panic. Your job is to add value. You need to make your client's experience so amazing, so memorable, that they choose you again and again, even if they're being selective with their spending. I can honestly tell you that we have experienced an exponential amount of growth in the last year. We are hitting record-breaking months in my salon, and my team is busy. When you start believing it's slow everywhere and blaming the economy, you're basically telling yourself that nothing you do matters. You're giving away your power. You start thinking, why should I bother marketing? Why post on social media? Why reach out to clients? None of it will work. And that's a trap. When you believe the things that are out of your control, you stop taking action. And let me tell you, inaction is going to kill your business. When we're adding value, I want you to be like the Ritz and not the Motel 8. Think about the Ritz-Carlton. I always like to do analogies. I'll do like Louis Vuitton and Walmart, Ritz-Carlton, Motel 8. So today we're going to do the Ritz-Carlton Motel 8, which, by the way, the old CFO of the Ritz wrote a book and it is phenomenal. If you want to really dive into guest experience, I highly recommend reading that book. It really helped me nail down and refine my client experience. We will put that in the show notes. I want you to think about the Ritz-Carlton, and what sets them apart isn't just the luxury decor. It's the overall experience. It's how the staff makes you feel. You feel pampered, you feel important, and you feel valued. That's the feeling you need to recreate for your clients. Clients are being so selective right now, and they're not just spending money without thinking, but that doesn't mean that they're looking for the cheapest option. In fact, the opposite is often true. They're looking for value. They want to feel like their money is well spent. This is where I need you to listen closely. This does not mean offering discounts. Let me say it again. This is not about cutting your prices. It's about adding value. It's about being the Ritz-Carlton, not Motel 8. Think about it. No one brags about staying at Motel 8, but when someone stays at the Ritz, they tell everyone. Why? Because the Ritz delivers an experience from the moment you walk in. You're treated like royalty. It's not about the room. It's about how they make you feel throughout the entire experience of the hotel. That's what you need to recreate with your clients. A lot of these clients on these social media platforms are really not complaining about the price. What they're complaining about is not getting what they feel that they paid for. The technical experience is not matching the price point. The client experience is not matching the price point. It's not that they want discounts. They just want to feel that they're getting what they're paying for and more. So you need to take action right now. You can't wait for business to come to you. The bottom line is you're in control of your success. Do not sit back and wait for clients to come to you. You need to go and get them. You need to show up on social media. You need to send that email. You need to reach out to past clients. You need to keep marketing yourself. And most importantly, you need to focus on creating an experience that makes clients feel that they're getting the best value, not because it's cheap, because it's special. When you do that, they'll keep coming back. If you want action steps that are already done for you, or if you need tools to coach your team on how to take action, the Salon Owner's Blueprint is for you. We have copy-paste templates to give to your team so they can take action. And the work is done for you so you can actually build the business you want during this economic time. So here are my final thoughts. Stop buying into the negativity. Stop blaming the economy. Get out there and take control of your business. Be the Ritz-Carlton in a world full of Motel 8s. Thanks for tuning in today. And if this episode resonates with you, share it with somebody who needs a little boost. And remember, stay motivated, stay inspired, and I'll catch you next time on the Elevate podcast. If you loved today's episode, or if you want the PDFs, be sure to subscribe to the Elevate Insider, where you will get the full episode and all of the supporting tools you need in order to have a thriving business. Thanks for tuning in to the Elevate podcast. If you loved this episode, it would mean the world to me if you would leave a review on Apple Podcast or wherever you listen. The Elevate podcast is hosted by me, Patricia Nowakowski, and is produced by Opulent Beauty Pro. To receive my free business guides, visit opulentbeautypro.com/free or click the link in the show notes. You can find me on Instagram at Opulent Beauty Pro or at Patricia_Nowakowski_OBS. If you love this show, please consider subscribing, and we will see you next week.